seemed like you had a lot of success with networking before. So was that just the same thing? Just dial for dollars more?
That's right. Yeah.
Is that how you ended up landing in the at the firm you did?
Yeah, I was just persistent about it. There's just a lot of no's, and you turn those no's into maybes and then ultimately to yeses.
How do you do that? How do you turn them into maybes, first of all?
Well, there were a lot of trips to New York from Atlanta.
Yep.
And just a lot of hustle. I mean, I'll give you an example. So there was a partner at a middle market private equity shop that I had targeted. And he wouldn't return my emails and wouldn't return my phone calls.
How many?
So probably 6 or 7 emails.
Wow. Over like 4 months? Over 4 months or 5 months?
Half a year or more.
Yeah.
So I had a 3-hour block of time when I was in New York. So I went to his office and sat in the lobby. And finally, after a couple of hours, his secretary came out and said, you are very persistent. He'll meet you for 15 minutes. And he did.
And?
I didn't get a job.